presentation, tapos minsan, karamihan puro pahinga. Diba? But you know what, you've heard na talagang galing kami sa US for 1 month, napagpahinga rin kami doon, bago umasan ng convention, guys. It was a really fantastic experience, na talagang experience namin. It was just a dream na talaga makapunta kami sa New York, sa Los Angeles, San Francisco, na talagang hindi ginastusan ng company. It's all coming from our own pocket. Diba? So gusto ba yung dumating sa experience natin talagang later on, babiyahin tayo anytime you want, mapag-decide ka kung anong place gusto puntahan. In fact, next year, target naman namin Europe. Hindi yan yung company incentive, but from our own pocket yan. Okay, so ang sarap ng pakiramdam na talagang you have that ability na talagang mapag-spend na sa resources na talagang pwede mo ma-enjoy at may mga pangarap sa buhay. Lahat ba tayo may pangarap dito?
Yes!
Masarap ba, magkaroon tayo ng opportunity na talagang matrabaho natin to para mahita yung pangarap natin?
Yes!
Guys, ito ang sabi ko. Ayoko ba siya ng story ko kasi karamihan naman talaga. Ayoko kasi maiyak eh. Ako naiyak madalas eh. No? But, yun, for sure, you will never regret once you get yourself into this kind of business, especially with Usana. Kasi talaga, this is the only business that can help you na magkaroon ka ng leverage or parang pension plan. Ako, when I saw Usana, 2003 pa lang, narinig ko na yung Usana. Sabi ko, wow, ang ganda. Hope sana dumating yung Usana during that time. But you know what? Hindi. Okay, so, yung ginawa namin, nilet go lang namin yung idea, so we waited for so many years. Buti na lang yung friend ko sa US, in-inform ako na mag-open daw ng 2009 yung Usana. But you know what? Before 2 months bago mag-open yung Usana sa Philippines, okay, 2009 January, November, nag-resign ako sa German company na pinag-order ko. Because I know, I've seen the marketing plan, I've seen the product, I've seen the accolades. So sabi ko, ibang class na yung Usana. Ibang class daw. Kumbaga, I have sacrificed the income that I had ng 2 months na yon. Wala akong Christmas bonus, wala akong year-end bonus sa German company yun, sinacrifice ko. But you know what, one thing, because of my desire to become successful, ang ginawa ko, nakita ko pa rin sarili ko at 8 o'clock, December 31, dito sa bahay ko, sa kusina ako, dito may kausap ako, nag-represent para ang marketing plan. That's my dedication. Siguro the reason why kung bakit kami naging successful, okay na okay yung life namin sa Usana, earning 7 digit a month, kumbaga enjoying the trips, enjoying the lifestyle, enjoying the recognition, it's because of siguro yung desire na maging successful. That's why ganun yung drive ko. So when we were given an opportunity to see this business, sabi namin, this is it. Ayoko nang hayaan pa. Kasi, sino ba naniniwala talaga opportunity knocks once dito? Sino naniniwala? Kaya taas yung kamay. Sino? Ako hindi naniniwala. Kasi you know why? Kasi kung sasabihin natin opportunity only knocks once, tapos yung opportunity natin, maraming pass. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, parang walang sana dahil dapat opportunity ngayon. But you know what? Ako, ang ginawa ko, I just kept my mind open. So, nang nakita ko, nang pinag-aralan ko ng gusto, marami ako mga doubt nang nakita ko yung sarili, di ba? So, ang ginawa ko lang, pinag-aralan ko ng sarili, yung product ko, yung company, yung potential ng company, open ko lang yung mind ko. Then, sinubsub ko na yung sarili ko, pinag-aralan ko ng gusto yung product, yung marketing plan. So, sabi ko in fact, si Dave hindi pa masyadong supporting sa akin dati. Okay, pero sabi ko, kung ayaw mo sa akin, okay lang, tatrabahuin ko to. Because I'm so sick of my life. Pagod na ako, may utang ako, pagod na ako umaasa, kasi naging missionary na ako before, pagod na ako umaasa sa mga suporta ng mga tao, pagod na ako. I want to have a good life. Okay, gusto mo ba ng good life?
Yes!
Ganun din ang gusto ko, that's why I decided to join Usana, ginorkat ko yung Usana, and ngayon, dream come true. Answered prayer. Now, because of Usana, kami ng wife ko, dati problema namin pera. Problema namin yung mga gustusin, problema namin yun. In fact, talagang, minsan pag kakain na kami sa labas, minsan kapag kumakain kami at 40 pesos na meal, no, manamamahalan pa kami. Pero ngayon, pupunta kami sa hotel, kahit magkano, kahit worth 1,500 pa perfect. Okay lang. Pag pumunta kami sa abroad, ayoko mag-settle sa abroad na talagang kalap ako ng hotel na nag-worth 2,000, 3,000 pesos. Hindi. Gusto ko mga $150, $200. May hindi okay lang. Kasi minsan lang naman yan, di ba? Kung baga yung opportunity binibigay sa atin for us to enjoy our life, minsan lang to eh. Isang beses yung buhay natin. Diba? So might as well, maximize natin yung business, work out natin ng gusto. And you know guys, as you do it, as you dedicate yourself, as you put yourself in, as you talagang engage yung sarili nyo, you will never regret. Give yourself 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you will see a different you. Basta dedicated lang kayo pag tinod nyo. In fact, kasi ang commitment ko sa iyo sana, okay, is for us to work on this business todo-todo for 5 years. Kasi after 5 years, sabi ko parang pwede na ako mag-semi-retire. Eh ngayon pa lang 3 years and 8 months pa lang, ka-retire yung ano ko, yung situation namin yan. In fact, kahit di ako mag-work, 7-digit income, hindi na. Why? It's not because of me, hindi ako magaling eh. It's just that the system, the company, the product, and the management ng company gives you the opportunity talaga pwede ka magkaroon ng residual income. To the point na talaga kahit hindi ka ma-exert na effort kasi talaga people, whether you like it or not, will continue to consume the product and do the business. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay guys, you will never regret when you just decide to yourself na talagang you will do this wholeheartedly, focus lang talaga with dedication. Huwag na kayo. Alam mo yung reason kung bakit naging successful yung mga tao? Ang dami pang iniisip eh. Ang dami pang options. Hindi pa nga nakakagawa ng magandang system na talagang duplicable ang ginagawa niya para bang hindi ako nakita sa isa, hindi ako prove niyo muna talagang duplicable yung ginagawa natin system. Tapos lahat na pwede ka mag-isip. Talagang pwede ka mag-question na hindi ka maging successful sa iyo sana. But you know what? Tested. Ang ganda ng company. In fact, this office, simple lang to, di ba? Nakikita mo pa. And this is one way that our management shows their commitment talaga papalakihin natin yung USANA sa Pilipinas. Okay? Guys, give it a try. Okay? So, keep on learning, keep on doing USANA, and for sure, you will also experience the good life na talaga nakatamasa na karamihan niya. Okay? So, thank you very much po, and God bless you all.